In an elastic collision between two objects, and in the absence of a net external force, momentum in both directions is conserved. So here we have two balls colliding, for example on a horizontal tabletop, such that gravity and a normal force act in and out of the screen. So therefore, in the absence of a net external force, momentum is conserved in the horizontal and vertical directions. So if we designate our angle from the horizontal as theta, then the initial momentum of the system in the x direction can be written as follows. And that's equal to the final momentum in the horizontal direction. And we have a similar expression for the conservation of momentum in the vertical direction. And where the collision is elastic, the total kinetic energy of the system is also conserved.